Hello friends, today I am going to unbox this new cooler which I have received from Flipkart. It's Crompton 65 liter and we can see the complete box here. I have bought it from Flipkart and I have purchased it at 12,999, while the best price of this cooler is around 10,000, but because it's hot summer and I could not get it any cheaper, so I had to purchase this in this price. So we can see a logo over here, and it's Desert Air Cooler Crompton Greaves Consumer Electricals Limited, 65 liters capacity, 230 volt, 50 hertz, and the price which is written here is 19,500, and it is manufactured in January 2020. So let us open this and see what's inside. We can see some other details which are written over here: best in class air delivery, auto filter, extra large size ice chamber, easy drain function, caster wheels, then mosquito free, motorized, lower movement, 65 liter tank, honeycomb cooling pad, overload protection. So let us open it.
Open this big cooler. I'll do this side, the back.
Ashu, stop it.
Awesome cooler. So now, good. Shift.
Wow, we can see here some great stuff. It's looking really awesome. I couldn't guess that it will be this awesome. It's looking absolutely premium. We will further unbox it. Wow, it's really good. So I've just removed the outer covering and you can see a brand new cooler. This is really looking awesome, and I'll give you hello. See, I'll go further, uncover it, unbox it.
And it's going to look great at the end.
Yes. So now we have unboxed it and it's looking quite premium. And you can see what we have. We have got 3 knobs. It is wider angle air throw, it's written over here, and humidity control. This is the power button, on and off, and this is the second button which sets up the speed. Speed has got 3 manual, high, medium and low. And then we have got third button which has got functions of pump and swing, and then we have got information of auto drain function and ever last pump. And this is the water level indicator, so we can see our water level over here. This is quite big, and these are the lowers, and we will see what is inside. We can open this levers like this, okay, and this is in 2 parts, so we can actually control which part we want. And now we can see the inside. We can see a metal blade. It's a fan, not a blower. And It's looking quite sturdy, and we'll have to see how much what's its performance when we run it, how much noise it creates. Then we have got this ice chamber. We will open it. So we have got a looks like a drain pipe, and this ice chamber is really big, and these are I think outlets for the water to go on honeycomb. This is the manual which is given over here, and now we are going to close this. Now from the sides and from the back we can see it has got honeycombs, real honeycombs and not wood wool, which looks really great. And this is covered by mosquito net, which is a unique to this cooler, because in other coolers we hardly see it. From the sides also we have got this same honeycombs with mosquito net, and we have got this much, we can see, big tank.
For the
We can
water.
actually see a motor inside.
But
I
they
make-
can only see dark.
Okay.
You can't really see it, but it's there.
Okay, I can see the motor from here and the pipe,
But you
but I
might.
cannot make you see. Yeah, you can see a little bit.
Yeah, little. It's so dark that nobody can see it from in there.
We have got this knob at the back which can control the cooling. It's written low and high. And then we have got this auto drain. When we turn this, it will drain all the water from here. Then we have got this inlet for auto filling. So there is also a system of auto filling over here. Then this is the mark, Crompton 230 volt AC 50 Hz. And we have got consumer service, and here we have got some details
To tell how we
which
do it.
says everlasting pump cleaning guidelines,
And it shows us how to look at the cooler.
and there is a caution: please ensure plug for auto drain is fixed before filling water in the tank. So now we are going to see how this cooler functions. So our cooler is ready, and we are going to see how powerful the motor is. So I have set it in low speed, and we can see
This plastic goes very far.
yes. So this is just the lowest speed possible, and I can hear very low humming noise which won't interfere. And if I increase this to medium, this increases even further,
Higher.
and
It goes a little higher.
go to the maximum speed.
Yup, no matter how high you go. It's easier now. It's not being folded. Sticking to me even.
So the swing action is slightly towards the right. I'll change the swing.
So it's now not stuck to me. Now it's stuck
Now
to
it
me
has
again.
started swinging the inside, and fan speed is
Now
quite
it's
low,
sticking to me here.
and you can say, wow, this cooler is really good. This is worth it.
What? We can see this, right?
And if you can get it somewhere around 10 or 11,000, this is a really good buy. And if you like this video, you can subscribe it. And I leave you at that.